Get ready for the dictation. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Start.
1. Sealed tenders are invited by the Deputy General Manager, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, New Delhi, for construction of residential quarters of different categories for the employees of the corporation at Haldia, West Bengal. Tender documents can be obtained from his office on payment of rupees 2000 in cash up to 27th September 2012. Time for completion of the work is 12 months. Earnest money deposit required is rupees 1 lakh. Completed tenders will be received up to 2 p.m. on 28th September and they will be opened at 3 p.m. on the same day in the presence of the tenderers or their authorized representatives. The Deputy General Manager reserves the right to reject any or all tenders without giving any reason therefor. Draft tender notice. 2. The Christian Medical College, Vellore requires an engineer grade 4 mechanical for air conditioning and refrigeration section. Qualification BE or BTech mechanical. Scale of pay for the post is rupees 9,000 to rupees 15,000. Dearness allowance and house rent allowance at the prescribed rates will also be paid. Preference will be given to those who have 3 years experience in air conditioning and refrigeration. Age should not exceed 30. Canvassing will be treated as disqualification. Applications enclosing Xerox copies of certificates and recent passport size photograph should reach the Senior Personnel Manager, Personnel Department, Christian Medical College, Vellore within 21 days from the date of this advertisement. Draft advertisement. 3. On Friday, an income tax inspector was riding a scooter with his wife on the pillion to drop her at the Central Public Works Department office in Nungambakam, where she was employed. A Metropolitan Transport Corporation bus coming in the opposite direction knocked down the scooter, dragged it to some distance, and came to a halt after hitting the compound wall of a private college nearby. The couple was thrown off the scooter. The scooter was caught below the bus. The wife died on the way to hospital. Her husband was admitted to the Rajiv Gandhi Government General Hospital. His arms were fractured. One of the passengers who was thrown off the bus and injured was also admitted to the hospital. The driver of the Metropolitan Transport Corporation bus was arrested. A case has been registered. Police investigation is proceeding. Draft an eyewitness account of the accident.